Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in the newspaper of yesterday. Yes, Saturday, March the 13th, 2021. Today is actually Sunday, and Sunday we have no newspaper here, so I will continue with the rest of the Sudokus or puzzles of Saturday. And this one will be number 2470. All right, 2470. And the before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. 26. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can check this if it's actually 26, but I have counted. So 26. And for Two Stars Sudoku, I think I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes. All right. This is the indication for solving a Two Stars Sudoku. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. If I'm scanning, I'm looking for the digits with, for example, here we have 4 digits with the number 3. I'm looking for the most printed digits. Yes, here we have 7, 3 sevens, 1 2 3, 1 2 5. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 fives. So let me start with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, 5, 5, here, double, double, double. I cannot continue with the 5. Let me look for another number. I see here 4 fours. Well, maybe. Let me see. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. All right. Let me see. 2. No. I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see with another number. 3, 3, 2, 2. Yes. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in this box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, the first row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, all right. Let me check for the 5. Yes, 5 in this row. 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there, and all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5, all right. Then, let me see. 9. Okay. The 3, yes. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. What a pity. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, only place for the 7 should be there. Then, yeah. I cannot continue with the 7. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 8. 8 is missing, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. Okay. 8 and 9. Okay. How about 9? Okay. How about 7 in this column, 7 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 9 and 7. 9 and 7. No, 9 and 8. These 2 numbers in the middle column. Those numbers are reserved for the 8 and the 3. No, 3. We have 8 and the 6. Yes, 8 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and 6. It's a pair. Do we have 1? Come on. 9. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. We have here 8 and a 6. The other two numbers should be the 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 3. Need to wait. 8, 6. 8. Okay. Yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4 for the number 7. Alright. And 6. 9 and 8. Let me see. 8 and 9. Yes, these two numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. One box left in the first column for the number 8. Alright. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 3. 8, 1 and a 3. Yeah. 1, 3, 8 and the 6. How about those two numbers? 1 and the, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box cannot be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. Alright. One box left in the middle row for the number 1. One box left in this big square for the number 6. One box left in the last column for the number 6. One box left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Alright, two boxes left. The last two numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Quicker than I have predicted. Yes. Because for 2 stars, I need 50 minutes and less than 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 14 minutes. So could you say it's a 2 stars? Well, I think rather a 1 star. This should be a 1 star. And I like this one. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you with the other last two, the two last puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.